now like to invite General Clarke to address the audience.
Ambassador Hoekstra, Mayor Brules, you're both hard acts to follow. But thank you for those kind words. But most importantly, to our veterans that are here, thank you for not allowing us ever to forget through your presence. While this great stone marker and the reenactment we saw today is a tremendous manifestation and shows how important what took place here is to the Netherlands and the people. Your presence here today means so much. So thank you very much to our veterans here today. Thanks to the wonderful people of Nijmegen for welcoming us to your city. We stand today at the center of one of the greatest battlefields ever known. 75 years ago, in the largest operation to date, more than 30,000 paratroopers jumped into Holland to seize the bridges that would allow a swift liberation of the Netherlands and an entrance into Germany. A Red Cross nurse named Angela Hawkins witnessed this launch from England. Seeing a mass of airplanes so thick that it covered the sky, she thought, this attack, wherever bound, must surely bring the end of the war. And that was precisely the goal. But unfortunately, it did not end the war. Operation Market Garden, in the end, failed to achieve its specific objectives. But if we look at it in hindsight, it achieved something far greater than the architects of this operation could have hoped. On these riverbanks, 700 men from the 82nd Airborne Division set out to cross the Waal in canvas boats, with paddles that were their rifle butts, with boats that they had never practiced with or had never been on before. 48 of them never returned home, and many more, countless more, were grievously wounded. There is no doubt that it was one of the most courageous actions of this war. However, it was not blind courage, but one with clear purpose. Theirs was a daring effort to save the beleaguered British, Polish, and Dutch comrades in Arnhem. That's what gave them the intestinal fortitude to push on, because they knew their comrades to the north were in trouble. For years, the Allies had shown that they could fight together. But during Market Garden, and here in Nijmegen specifically, we found proof that they were willing to fight and die for each other. Today, we just don't stand on a great battlefield. We stand on a true birthplace of one of the greatest alliances in history, a partnership born of shared values and the hope that liberty could one day eradicate tyranny. That alliance has protected our way of life for 3/4 of a century, and will do so for many years to come. But it is only as strong as our united resolve. Even now, evil forces seek to weaken our bond, and deterring their aggression is both a noble cause and a heavy burden. The 49 names who appear on this monument were proud champions of this call alongside their comrades, American, British, Polish, Canadians, and Dutch. Who will step forward and carry this torch today, if not us? I pray that we never forget their legacy or fail to live up to the promise they saw in the distance on this far of the river. Let's just never forget. Thank you very much.
Namens de 82nd Division General Clarke met Vince en Bo. On behalf of 82nd Division General Clarke with Vince and Bo. Company Grenadier Guard